Hi and welcome to Morgoth Media, where today I've been going to do this hack that I've heard about. I've heard a lot about it, been wanting to give it a go for a while. It involves one of these bad boys, which is a double espresso, and you get yourself a vanilla milkshake. So what we do then is we tip in, take the lids off very carefully, it's bloody really hot. So you got your ice, you got that there, and you tip that in there like that. Oh, take the time, let it sink in a little bit. As you can see, it's sinking in there. Let that just sink in. See it? Seems to be going down to the bottom. Keep topping it up. Perfect. A little bit more. Let it sink. A little bit more to keep adding it till you've done the whole lot. There we go, so just keep it at that. Hold on like that. Get yourself a rubbish straw they do nowadays. I wish they'd bring back the plastic ones. Everyone went on all that. Then you give it a good mix up. Well, let's give this a go, shall we? See what it's like, see if it's any good. Oh, that's nice. Hot, cold, creamy, coffee. Get that kick. Whoever thought of that? Genius. Brilliant. Highly recommend that. Vanilla milkshake with coffee shop. Way to go. Definitely do that again. Brilliant hack. Whoever thought of that? You're genius.